Here's a 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee Sport with the blacktop package, 86,000 mile, 200 with the clean Carfax in black. Actually employee owned, previously owned vehicle here by our service manager. So if you want a vehicle that's reliable, that when it's needed maintenance has been done, this would be the one to get, as obviously, he runs our service department. So let's go ahead and kind of walk the car and show you all the cool features and embellishments that come with this Sport blacktop package. As we can see, we got an all black look, black badges. We got shaded reflectors on the front headlamps, which are high intensity. You can also see the LED surrounds on the top lights as well. As we continue around to the side, the other part of the blacktop is you get this factory 5-spoke alloy high gloss black wheel. It's got Falcon tires all the way around. They're like new, 3/4 tread at least. You also can see a brand new shiny rotor and thick brake pad. So one thing we really proud of ourselves here at All Things Automotive, we do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles, find the results of that inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. I'll show you that report soon, but I do want to show you, as you can see, we do have two-tone charcoal and light gray cloth covered seating with offset white stitching. Otherwise, charcoal on charcoal interior. You can see we do have some grayish embellishments around the louvers, center display, and extends throughout the door panel, kind of breaking the monotony. We do have 2 bucket seats, full console with an automatic floor shifter in between. And we got the books, as you can see there. So if you purchase it, you can read up on all the cool features of it. And here is the report that I spoke of. But you can see tires are 7s. And looks like they were rotated and balanced. Now brand new tires are 10 to 12, so we got about 70% wear left. And then brakes are the same. You can see we're 10 out of 12s on the front, 12 out of 12s on the back, so we got brand new pads on the back, and over 80% on the front as well. And we do not skimp on the wearables here. We do completely go over them, as this vehicle 70 to 80% on all the wearables, if not brand new. Now it's a 5-passenger SUV in the mid-size segment. See very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room here for the rear occupants. We do have the rubber slush mats to protect the interior. And if we look at the back of the console, you can see it does have the flow-through console, help keep your rear occupants comfortable. Again, all the tires match, and the black gloss wheels are in excellent shape. They're not scuffed or scraped. Again, you can see the blacked out badges. As I said before, it is equipped with a tow hitch as well. Pop the hatch here. Has a nice decollage spoiler, 40/60 fold down on the rear seat if you need a little more cargo room. We also have some grocery bag hooks back here, some tie downs at the lower part there. We do have a 12-volt power supply in the back as well. Underneath here we have a cargo organizer. Underneath the cargo organizer, sorry about that. Underneath the cargo organizer we have the full-size spare. So we're well taken care of as far as all the equipment needed in the case of emergency in the back of the vehicle. Continue around to the other side here. You can see again all the wheels are in good shape. Tires all match. And a shot from the driver's side rear. It's a very clean interior. No rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. Like I say, we know the previous owner quite well. Manual adjustment on the driver's seat as well as the passenger. And we do have the power locks, the power windows, and the power mirrors. Also got the key here. I want to show you, not only is it equipped with a keyless entry, it's also equipped with a factory remote start. Nice feature that comes with this Sport package, blacktop edition. Let's go ahead, start it up, get you the exact mileage here. Once the gauge is reset, you see 86,262 original miles. We also always keep a copy of the auto history report on the dash. We'll look over it real quick. You can see no accidents or damage, 2 owners, 8 service records. Personal vehicle last owned right here. As you can see, we have the headlamp controls. We also got your dimmer for your interiors. Stem to the left, high beams and turn signals. Stem to the right, intermittent wiper washers front and rear. This pad is your control pad with confirmation for your center display. You can see as I quickly toggle through all your different options, tire pressure sensors, completely customizable. We also got your Bluetooth hands-free below that, and your cruise control to the right. Got your standard AM, FM satellite radio with the ability to MP3 media pair your phone. You got the compass, you got your climate control touchscreen features, and your applications and settings. Below that, we got your audio controls, as you can see, climate controls, analog style as well. All your connectivity in front of the shifter there. We got your SD if nav equipped, 12-volt power supply, USB, and auxiliary input. Electronic shift on the fly 4-wheel drive transfer case. We do have your floor shifter here with the ability to tap up or down to select any of the gears of the multi-speed transmission. Electronic parking brake, 2 cup holders. In here, more connectivity, another 12-volt power supply and USB. Got a manual flip dim on your rear view. We got 2 LED map lights. Illuminated visors on the driver's side and the passenger side. So well equipped. Let's go ahead and take a look underneath the hood. Hood release right there. I believe we have 2.4 liter multi-air Tiger engine. That is what we got. Very quiet and clean. No exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminals. Very well maintained. All your essential check and fill points are denoted with handles, caps, yellow dipstick handles and caps. So even if you're a little bit of a novice, you'll know where to look to check your essential fluids. Turn the vehicle off here. We'll get into the last portion of the video, and just to recap, showed you the mechanical evaluation, 70% to new on all our wearables. Showed you the auto history report, no accidents or damage to owner. The last part of making informed buying decisions, cosmetic appearance. Car's completely detailed and polished, so any little stone chips should be pretty visible. That's just a piece of dust. But on the first walk around of this car, it seems to be in excellent condition. I believe it was garage kept. Little smudge there. So this part of the video should go pretty darn quick. Notice any dents or dings on the driver's side. Liftgate's got a couple little minor stone chips on it, but looks very good as well. A little tiny scratch on top of the lens there. Little tiny scratch we touched up there on the fascia. Roof rail looks good. Couple little stone chips on top there, nothing hateful at all. No dings or dents down the passenger side that I can see. Couple little stone chips here across the front portion of the fender. A little bit of bug damage and stone chips across the lower portion of the front bumper cover. Very unavoidable. All vehicles are going to have it. And again, we touched them all up, but a few stone chips made their way up here to the hood as well. But all in all, guys, excellent vehicle, well maintained, good look, good equipment. If you're interested, there's a few ways of getting a hold of us. You can come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. You can look us up online at www.allthingsautomotive.com, or you can give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.